Hello guys, Steve here, RC. You guys remember I got this kit from the RCL. I finished it. I want to show you guys what it looks like, the paint job and stuff. But before I do that, just let me know in the comments what you think of my paint job, or if you think I should have went with the box art color here, the blue. Anyhow, the kit was a nice kit, easy to build. What I like about this kit is it came with the CVD drives, it came with the tie rods, the adjustable ones on the steering and the A-arms. Came with full ball bearings, although I needed 3 extra ones. I don't know why. The ones that fit in the Tamiya wheels up front, like on the Blackfoot and Frog and stuff, the normal size ones. I forgot what size they are, but anyway, I needed 3 of them for some reason. They weren't in the kit. What else does this one got? It's got everything nice on it. It's got the sway bars and everything, the front and rear. But I don't even know if those sway bars are going to benefit this chassis. It might, I don't know. For me, a 4-wheel drive, it might work better for off-roading without them, or at least not 2 of them on it, like the Fire Dragon and all those have. Anyhow, here it is, guys. I'm going to show you it. There she is. I'm going to bring it up close. You guys let me know what you think of her. I didn't go to box art. I actually cut the decals out and I left the blue out of them all. You can see. Let me flip it up like that. It's probably going to be hard to see on the camera, but I have a fade. I have black sprayed around the front, a little on the sides and out the back, and all around the back edge of the spoiler wing. It's going to be hard to see, but outside you'll see it, you know, from the sun. Let me see if I get close, maybe you could see. You can see a little bit, but I trimmed, like I said, all the decals, the front, everything. I took all the blue off because I wanted it. I just thought with the color I used the black with the Tamiya. It's a metallic purple. I believe it's a PS18. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, I'll put it up on the screen. But I think it came out really good looking. I don't know. Let's see what it looks like on the box. That that I don't know. I think it looks better than the box art, guys. You have to see it in person. I put some nice detail on the guy's helmet. Some I don't know if you'll see it there. I got some like green on there. But that's it. It came like a beauty. This one didn't come with a hobby wing ESC. That's what I wish it had, because I don't like this one they gave you. What the hell number is the 04 one? I always have problems with it. I'm going to take off the body and show you it. Let me just go slow right here so you can see it. It's a nice purple with the black. It's really metallic. It looks really good in person. One thing with this one, see how slow the suspension is? The stock Tamiya setup with the soft oil they give you, it's a little too slow. I'm going to probably have to get 10 weight and put them in. Usually with these yellow shocks, I find 10 or 15 weight makes them run so much better. When you run them like this, they bounce all around, especially if you use the lighter lipos in them. But I'm going to take the body off and show you guys. The body's weird. There's one clip in the front, and then in the back here, there's like a little plastic section you put on with Velcro. And it's weird, actually. You see that? Goes in and under. There's the body. See the color in there. Anyhow, let me show you the driver. See his helmet? And get that in focus for you. Is that in focus? Focus, focus. Yeah, I did everything right. Only thing I did wrong was right here on this plastic piece. You see that? Right there. I muffed up and I cut it out wrong, so I had to make a little piece to cover up where I muffed up. You see it? So, into building, I don't know. Sometimes you do mistakes. Everyone does them, even if you do a million kits. I don't care who you are. You always do something wrong. You always have a chance of doing something wrong. You have to refix it or go back and put a different screw in something. But anyhow, here's the chassis. It's nice. Like I said, it has the adjustable tie rod ends on the top of the A-arms. And for the steering, it's got that front sway bar. And it has the rear one there. And like I said, it came with the full ball bearings, but I don't know why I was missing 3 of them standard size ones. I don't know if they don't put them in there or not, but that's what was in my kit. But it's nice. I put anti-wear grease in the diffs. They're nice and smooth and creamy. Look at that. I left the 540 stock can motor in there. And I have the stock pinion in there. I think it's a 15 tooth. I'm going to have to get a steel one later on. I'll just run it a couple times like this. This spoiler screws on. And the back on this little piece here. I don't know how strong that'll be. It kind of feels flexible, but you never know. Yeah, I'll show you the inside. This swings to the side on this chassis. I'll show you what I did to it. I got a radio link receiver, and I always put my ESC down in the chassis because they say to put it up in the front on the servo. I figured it's better down lower to weight because these are heavier, and I just put the light receiver up there. Naturally, I actually put these wires inside. They say to put them outside. I put them inside here also. So that's what the inside looks like. This is nice because you just swing it over and then pop this under and it seals the whole top. And it's a lot better than the older Tamiyas before this, like the Hot Shot and the Super Hot Shot, where you couldn't get in on anything to work on it. At least this one you can. I'm going to have to run it sometime, and you guys will see it. But anyhow, guys, there it is. I hope you like it. Let me know, like I said, what you think about it. The paint job, the color I chose. In the comments. Let me know if you think it's nice, or you like the box art color better, or I should have did the box art color. There you go. Thanks to RC Elf once again for sending me this beauty. It's awesome. I appreciate it very much, RC Elf. You're cool. You're an awesome guy, and you help a lot of channels out. I'm really grateful for everything you did for me, and I'm sure everyone else is. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell if you're new so you don't miss any videos, and subscribe also. And leave a comment. It helps me out. And like I said, let me know what you think. This color or box art. See you later, guys. Thanks, RC Elf. This is a beauty.